when you were young and your heart was an open book. You used to say, live and let live. You know you did, you know you did, you know you did. But if this ever-changing world in which we live in makes you give in and cry,
Now I got you on video,
live
eh?
and let
So
die.
Kirby, how you doing up there? You gonna win the race? How you gonna do it? You gonna win?
Professional driver.
Let her rip, guys.
Live and let die.
Yeah, man.